Loldnar, this is it. The inn is yours. I'm probably never coming back here.
Well now, that's something to think about.
Take care of yourself, Loldnar. Goodbye.
Yeah.
Well, one of us has to do something.
I said no! No adventures, no theatrics, no thief chasing!
Well, what are you going to do then, huh? Let's hear it.
Well, I don't know what you overheard, but the Riverwood Trader is still open. Feel free to shop. Yeah, we did have a bit of a break-in, but we still have plenty to sell. Robbers were only after one thing. An ornament, solid gold in the shape of a dragon's claw.
You found it!
There it is! Strange. It seems smaller than I remember. Funny thing, huh? I'm gonna put this back where it belongs. I'll never forget this. You've done a great thing for me and my sister.
An amulet of Mara. You're looking for marriage, then? Won't lie, I am. And you? Then it's settled. You and me.
What do you need? What is it?
You should tell the priest we're getting married. They'll take things from there. Let's go.
Gems, potions, exotic ingredients. I've had them all.
Live for thousands of years. See into other
Protect
people's
yourself,
thoughts.
right?
Greetings, honored friend. Could I interest you in some fine jewelry?
Buying and selling fine jewelry here.
Can I everything I've got on display, really? Keep your eyes to the road.
If you're looking for anything to sell for a fair price, I run the pond abroad over by the market.
Wait, I know you.
Welcome. Allow me to recommend the Blackbriar Mead, the purest brew in all of Skyrim. Take a look. Come back and see. can. We serve only the best here.
There was a fight down in the Ratway, but reports are sketchy. Some say it was Thalmor agents, others say thieves' guild. Some say it was both.
How may I help you, my son? You wish to be married? It's good to see love blossoming even during these difficult times. Your wedding will be held tomorrow, from dawn until dusk. Don't be late. You don't want to miss your own wedding. May you return to her benevolence in safety.
Who would have thought I would be getting married?
Need something? May you return to her benevolence, safety.
Congratulations on your wedding. I'm so happy for both of you.
Welcome to the Bee and Bar.
And you've got the... Sure thing. It's yours for a day. I'll show you to right this way. What can I... Meat? Wine?
Aha, a fellow Nord. I trust you're bringing this fight to the Empire.
Ah, here's the proud groom now. Let's begin the ceremony. It was Mara that first gave birth to all of creation and pledged to watch over us as her children. It is from her love of us that we first learned to love one another. It is from this love that we learn that a life lived alone is no life at all. We gather here today under Mara's loving gaze to bear witness to the union of two souls in eternal companionship. May they journey forth together in this life and in the next, in prosperity and poverty, and in joy and hardship. Do you agree to be bound together in love, now and forever?
I do, now and forever.
Do you agree to be bound together in love, now and forever? Under the authority of Mara, the divine of love, I declare this couple to be wed. I present the two of you with these matching rings, blessed by Mara's divine grace. May they protect each of you in your new life together.
Married? It doesn't feel like I thought it would, but I'm happy. Where should we live? You could stay with me. I'll be waiting for you at home then. Good to see you, dear. I'll be here, my dear.
Blessings of Mara upon you.
You look tired, friend. The Bannered Mare has beds for you. The gods gave you two hands, and you used them both for your weapon. I can respect that.
Need something?
This is an ode to Skyrim's truest sons and daughters, the
Good to see you, dear.
We drink to our youth, and today's come and gone, for the age of oppression is now nearly done. We'll drive out the empire from this land that we own. With our blood and our steel, we will take back our home. All hail to Ulfric, you are the High King. In your great honor we drink and...
Let's not waste any time.
We're the children of Skyrim.
Let's get going.
We fight all our lives. And when Sovngarde beckons, every one of us dies.
I'm still here. I'm heading home, if you need me.
And we'll see it wiped clean of the scourge that has... For Bella